Hello, friends. My name is Vartika, and today I am here to talk about a very critical topic understanding neurodivergent brain development. Let's understand first what neurodiversity is. Okay, so if we go about the definition, it's a non medical term for brains that develop or function differently, what is considered typical. Neurodivergent brain development refers to variations in how the brain develops and functions compared to typical development, encompassing conditions like autism, ADHD, and dyslexia. To specifically study these types of brain development, we have a neurodiversity paradigm, which views these differences as a natural and valuable part of human variation, encompassing unique strengths and perspectives rather than deficits. This framework promotes understanding and acceptance of diverse cognitive styles, advocating for inclusive environments where neurodivergent individuals can be authentic and thrive. A few conditions associated with neurodivergent brain developments include ASD, ADHD, dyslexia, which is a learning disorder, dyscalculia, development language disorder. The neurodiversity approach shifts the focus from viewing neurodivergence as a problem to understanding it as a distinct way of being, so that we focus more on the differences and not what they are lacking. The goal is to create environments that accommodate diverse cognitive styles, allowing everyone to be authentic and contribute their unique talents. These individuals may possess unique strengths, such as pattern recognition or detailed memorization, while also facing challenges in areas like social interaction, organization, or sensory processing. This neurodiversity movement focuses on advocating the rights and inclusion of neurodivergent individuals in the mainstream so that neurodivergent people may experience the world, process information, and communicate in ways that differ from their neurotypical peers. The good part is that the understanding of neurodivergence is growing, and the list of conditions considered neurodivergent continues to evolve day by day. And the last message I want to give is that being different doesn't mean that they are incapable. Thank you, friends, for your patience in watching this video. Sayonara until we meet and talk again. Thank you.